Struggling with your monitor going to a black screen randomly on Windows 11? Stay tuned for simple fixes to resolve this frustrating issue. Search for CMD in your Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant permission. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Once the scan reaches 100% completion, exit the command prompt. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Device Manager. Expand Monitor Adapter, right-click on your monitor driver, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Next, expand Display Adapter, right-click on your display driver, and select Update Driver. Again, opt to search automatically for drivers. Close Device Manager once both drivers are updated. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Proceed to update Windows to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.